G'day, how you going?
I'm Danny.
Jack, good to meet you, mate.
Danny, Todd, nice to meet you.
How can we help you today?
Yeah, today we're just after something we can put all our tools and tyres in and get ourselves to the racetrack.
Yeah, no worries. We've got plenty of trucks for you to look at.
Beautiful.
Alright, sounds good.
All right, so there's 3 trucks across the front here you can probably have a look at. First truck there is the SEA electric truck. Probably not ideal for your application given that you drive vast distances between tracks and so forth. We've got a nice little Hino built-to-go tipper. Again, probably not what you're looking for. You don't want to be tipping the tools and tyres
tip
out.
It the ground.
Yeah.
Make the boys pick it up.
Yeah. Whereas this little Hino trade ace, this is probably ideal for your purposes. Little car licence truck with an aluminium trade, drop sides, nice low deck height for you to be loading all your gear in and out of, and yeah.
That sounds like the one. Let's have a look at it. Good,
How good is this?
Ripper, isn't it? This is quite cosy.
I reckon this will suit us perfectly.
All right, congratulations on the purchase, guys. But I have seen the way you guys drive, so I think we need to talk to Brad, who's our insurance specialist.
Okay, congratulations again, guys, on the purchase of the new truck. Not sure if you are aware or not, but it does come with a 5-year truck assist, roadside assist plan. I can also speak to you about insurance on the truck, which we have a referral reference through NTI also. With all that being said, let's go down to the service department and show you where the truck will go in the event something does happen to it. Guys, this is Matt. Matt's our service manager.
Yeah, and Jack, great to meet you.
I'll show you the workshop. Alright guys, initially the tow truck driver will come in this roller door here, he'll drop it into a available bay, and then a breakdown tech will get onto it as soon as possible.
Beautiful.
Let's go meet one of them now. Cool. Alright guys, this is one of our service techs, Dylan.
Hey, mate.
How you doing?
Yeah, g'day guys. This is where we'll carry out our initial diagnosis. We'll report our findings to the workshop controller, and they'll report to the customer so we can get our customers back on the road in a smooth, timely manner.
Perfect.
How good's that?
Well, boys, we've got the truck, you've got your roadside assist, you've got your insurance. We need now's the keys.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's go. Thanks, Danny.